Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a super quick video for you, and it's how to crochet this cute little flower with 5 little petals on them. This flower measures about 2 inches from petal to petal. You can adjust that size by sizing up your hook and your yarn or going down a size and using thinner yarn. Let's go ahead and get started on this cute little quick tutorial. So I'm going to be using the white and green yarn. The white for the center, just like this other flower. For my crochet hook size, I decided to use the 3.50 millimeter hook, which is the letter E. And I'm going to be using this yarn, which is my favorite. It's from Hobby Lobby, and it is the cotton yarn in medium size, category 4 weight. And you don't have to use cotton yarn. You could use acrylic yarn. Depends on what project you're using for, and some scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start off our pattern by creating a magic circle, otherwise known as a magic loop or magic ring. And we're going to chain 2. There's 1 and 2. Chain 2 in this round does not count as a stitch, and we are going to half double crochet 10 times inside the magic circle. So now that we have 10 half double crochet on our inside our magic circle, we're going to pull the end of that yarn and we are going to join on the first half double crochet that we made. But before I yarn over and pull through, I'm going to join in my new color. So I'm going to cut this first color. And I'm going to join my green color for my petals. I'm going to pull through and join. And we're going to chain 3. Chain 3 does count as a stitch in this round. So we are going to make another double crochet here in the same stitch where we joined. Double crochet in that same stitch. In that same stitch, because we are creating petals, we are going to make 2 treble crochet. So yarn over twice on your hook, going to insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do that one more time in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And to end the other side of the petal, we're going to finish off in that same stitch. We're going to make 2 double crochet. In that same stitch. Now you're going to slip stitch in the next stitch right here. Slip stitch and pull through. And now we're ready to make our second petal. So we're going to follow the pattern by 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, 2 double crochet, and that creates our pattern, and all that is worked into the same stitch. So we're going to start off with 2 double crochet, and we're going to, in the middle, there's going to be 2 treble crochet, and then we're going to, for the 2 last stitches, we're going to do the 2 double crochet in that same stitch. Oh no, there's a knot. I'm going to try and keep it in the back. So we're going to then slip stitch in that next stitch. And we're going to do the same as this second petal. So 2 double crochet in that next stitch. So we are working on our 3rd petal. And then we're going to slip stitch in the next and go on to our 4th petal in the next stitch. Two double crochet, two treble crochet, and 2 double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch, and we are going to work our 5th petal in the next stitch. So 2 double crochet, two treble crochet, two double crochet, and we're going to slip stitch in this last stitch, like so. Now we're going to fasten off, and that stitch where the where we chained 2 is, chain 3, I'm sorry, we are going to yarn over and pass that yarn through there, like so. And then we are going to adjust our magic circle. And weave in our ends. And there you have it. There is your super simple crochet flower pattern that you can use in any project you're wanting a crochet flower in. And just to show you here, I did use this flower pattern to use as some crochet barefoot sandals for my daughter that I chained so I can tie her around her ankle. And all I did was use 4 petals and join 2 of them and do a little toe loop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and want to see more, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet, so you don't miss out on future videos.